Hi guys! Today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial because you didn't subscribe to my channel, so I guess you do more makeup tutorials, so that's why we're gonna start right now. Here's the beauty, as all you know, here's a beauty blender, and this is the new foundation. Actually, it's liquid foundation. Here's the powder, the new one. Actually, it's the new. So here's mascara, the all gray mascara. And then the eyelash curler curls your eyelashes. Sorry, not curling my eyelashes right now. So here's right? I won't tell you this. Sorry. Actually, it's the eyeliner. It goes right here. Actually, it's going right here. So here's the blush. He's blush. So the same blush. Ta-da! Oops. See, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. It's the same blush we always use in the makeup videos. So eyeshadow. Here's eyeshadow. That's actually nice. But now we can get this kind of lipstick. Kind of show you the patterns. So I think I showed up lipstick first. Now let's put some liquid foundation. I put a lot there. And then let's put it all my face. So dab.
Wow!
It's kind of dark. Dab. Okay, now let's get some powder. Oops, we need to shake again, guys. Almost right. The powder almost, the brush almost right. Let's get some more black. Finish that. And on this channel, click that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Actually, can you see that? Did I put some? Actually, I was wiping my face. Surely I'm gonna do anything on my own. Too much paint. It's the choice. Because I'm making too much. And let's put the lipstick on. Actually, I need lipstick. Here we go. Actually, I'm not blind, guys. Okay, let's open up the lipstick. Open up this, then get this lipstick. Open up the lipstick and then put in my lips.
Wow!
Make some lips. Okay, I'm done with the lipstick. Actually, use the mascara. Actually, I need mascara. Guys, I need mascara. From this point on, get some mascara. Mascara. Look at that. Did it? Oops. Okay, now let's get mascara. Mascara more. mascara. Right. I'm gonna put the eyeliner on. Okay, where's the eyeliner? Wait, the eyeliner's not going out. Oh no, this is the front. You can put it right here because it's not gonna do. This is the eyebrow eyeliner. It's mostly new stuff. It's actually the old stuff already. So I'm already done putting the eyeliner. Done putting that. Now let's close it. Don't know what's next, but actually I don't know. Sorry, I think I have to skip it. No, actually the eyelash curler I forgot. But actually I'm just kidding. Actually it's this way. Eyelash curling takes so much. The full makeup is all bye.